Hello, everyone, and welcome to Mathics. Today, we're going to do this Olympiad question. Square root of x plus the square root of y is equal to square root of 2009. X and y are non-negative integers. I think it's a good idea to guess one set of solutions, maybe more than one. Okay, let's do that. So to be able to guess a value, let's see this. Do you think this 2009 is a prime number, or is it divisible by a number? Obviously, it's not divisible by 3, not 4, not 5, but is it divisible by 7? See, to check divisibility by 7, right, we multiplied the last digit by 2 and subtracted by 200, the rest of the numbers. So as you see, 182 is divisible by 7, so is 2009. Okay. 287 is again divisible by 7. Okay. So instead of 2009, we could write, or instead of square root of 2009, we could write 7, the square root of 41. But now 41 is a prime number. Now this number, a square root of 41 plus the square root of 1476 is actually one solution. Okay, so, but let's see why is this a solution. Okay, the square root of 41, let's write it as is, but this number is equal to 36 times 41. And we could push out 36 outside the square root. So we're going to get 6 times the square root of 41. And now you could see if we factorize the square root of 41 is equal to 7, the square root of 41, which is equal to this. We earlier found this. So it is a solution. Now we just rewrite another one. This is also a solution, but see why. If we have 25 and 4 pushed out of the square root, we're going to get again 7 square root of 41. Now you see that it's a lot easier to come up with a way to just find all the solutions. Okay. See, to do that, let's call x 41, okay, multiplied by t squared, and y 41 times r squared. And why is that? We know that x is supposed to have, which is supposed to be a multiple of 41, so is y. But why t squared? Because it has to be in this form, because when we push it out of the square root, it has to be an integer. Okay, so we write it like this so that it is a lot easier. Now let's go and actually simplify it. T squared and r squared push out of the square roots is equal to 7 times the square root of 41, which suggests that t plus r is equal to 7. Okay, so now we could write a set, okay, of possible solutions, right? If t is 0, r is supposed to be 7. T is 1, r is 6. T is 2, r is equal to 5. And we could continue all the way to get t is equal to 7 and r is equal to 0. Okay, so we're going to make a list of all the solutions. Okay, we earlier had is, now what we had was x is equal to 41t squared, y 41r squared. All we have to do is just plug in these values and get all the solutions. The first one is the obvious one of them 0, the other one 2009. This time we're going to get 36 times 41. Okay, this is 25 times 41. Okay, this is, okay, 3 times, so 9 times 41. Okay, the other one, 655 is 16 times 45. Okay, 1025. So from here, you could see that solutions are repeating, but x and y are being swapped. Okay, So, and this is the last one again, X being 2009, Y is equal to 0. So that's the end of the video. If you found it useful, make sure that you give it a thumbs up.